Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Programming School. So in this video I'll be showing you the details of TCS and QT National Qualifier test, which is again open. So go through the video till end. I'll be showing you the details of the eligibility criteria as well as how to apply for this TCS and QT exam and all. So do watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe Programming School. Let's start the video. TCS and QT National Qualifier Test. Your gateway to thousands of top jobs in TCS and many other companies. So TCS and QT had again come up with a national qualifier test, and there is only limited registrations for this test, which will be closing on 20th April 2021. So the test dates will be on 1st May 2021 and 13th May 2021. So you can go through this website. I'll be sharing you the link in the description box. You can go through and register immediately. So what is the TCS and QT National Qualifier Test? What is the reason behind this exam? What are the uses of this exam? So it is nothing but it tests the competence on the core cognitive process required for entry-level jobs, as well as it tests our industry-specific knowledge and insights. And it also tests the specializations on skills required to perform various job roles. So these are some different kinds of tests like NQT cognitive skills, attitudinal alignment and QT psychometric test, industry and QT score, and subject and QT score. So about this test is a prerequisite for all test and QT. The score is valid for 2 years and the mode of test is in-center, TCS and authorized test centers. So you should be going to the test centers and then attend the exam. Candidates with NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS Ion job listing portal. So you can apply using the score. You can apply to various companies in the TCS Ion portal, and you can also apply for any entry level role in any corporate with NQT score. So who all can apply? What is the eligibility criteria for applying for this exam? UG, PG and diploma students and their final year and their pre-final year students can apply, and the students with any kind of degree in any specializations or discipline can apply. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience can also apply. NQT cognitive skill score is a prerequisite for all the tests. So this is all about the eligibility criteria and who all can apply for this test. And when coming to the brands that acknowledge TCS and QT are TCS, Tata Electronics, Titan, Equifax, Data Patterns, and so on. So you need to apply each company separately on their job portal using this NQT score. So when coming down, you can look at the TCS and QT variants like NQT. It's a paid like NQT cognitive skills, which is offered for 600 rupees. You need to buy this and then you need to apply for this test, as well as you need to apply for psychometric test, which costs around 400 rupees. You need to buy both this test and then you need to apply for this. And you can also go to the industry and QT where you will be finding information technology, retail and banking. These are coming soon. These are not yet activated. And when coming to the subject and QT, which is important for us, for programming you need to pay 399 rupees and then attend the exam. So these two are basically we need to for writing this NQT exam we need to apply for subject and QT IT programming as well as NQT cognitive skills and the other one. So why TCS National Qualifier Test? It is used to improve your employability quotient, increased visibility, unlimited attempts, align the industry and structure test. So what is the journey? What is the journey if you apply for this job? First you need to register, you need to buy a TCS and QT variant, as I already said you, because these are the TCS and QT variants like TCS and QT and NQT as well as subject and QT. Like you need to buy NQT test as well as psychometric test, and then you need to buy subject and QT IT programming. And then you need to take the test in the test center, which is authorized by TCS Ion. You need to you'll be getting a benchmark score which is valid for 2 years. You can apply to any kind of company which is partnered with the TCS Ion, and you can apply for the corporate jobs as per the eligibility criteria. So this is all about TCS and QT qualifier test. This time they came up with the reasonable prices in order to write their exam. So if you are having any kinds of questions, you can go through, if you want to know more about the products pricing or anything, you can go through this kinds of sources. I'll be providing you the link in the description box. Go through the website and apply immediately. You can also go through some FAQs which are frequently asked, like why is TCS and QT qualifier test? What is the cognitive skills? Why psychometric test? And what is industry and QT? You can go through all the questions. I'll be providing you the link in the box. The only thing you need to do is you need to log in with your credentials and you need to click on register now. And then you need to buy this, buy the required subject and QT as well as the NQT courses, and then you need to apply for this job. So do watch the website completely and apply as soon as possible, because it's a limited registration process and it will be closing on 20th April. Thank you.